This guy is really funny. You see this one yesterday. I don't know you from the room. But look.
Oh no, I didn't.
Everybody knows I have no brain. Look at that. Yes. Yeah, look.
the?
Did you
watch it?
Huh?
Did you post it?
Yeah, I don't know you.
No. It's gonna come. It's gonna
My
come.
channel is Benjamin. Look.
Bus का post it.
Yeah, bus car.
How they have the video?
They have the video. I got.
No, I mean the views. How's the views?
I didn't check. But they got the video. I got this.
Yeah, the long,
Like this.
flat one.
That's very nice. Very nice video.
Super shocking.
Yeah.
Very crazy.
The name, I can't think. But the title should be like words.
You want this video? I can give it to you. You know, it's only this. It's about 50-second video. Are you sure? I got some view on short. About 4-5,000, I think. Look, my older view, all on short.
What that one?
Which one? That's it?
No, this one 48-hour view, 900,000, but all on short.
That's good.
Nothing. You get no money.
No.
It's free. Yeah, then you go no break.
That is totally brainless.
Nobody was here yesterday.
I know. John is not here.
Was it in the morning you come?
No,
In the afternoon? Oh, we came early and left.
About 2:30.
Yeah, that time I already left. And I'm going to leave without now as well. I need to go to Aldgate.
Aldgate?
Yeah. How long does it take to go to Aldgate? Maybe an hour?
By walk?
By train?
Oh. So, you go from here, Jubilee Line.
Jubilee line, yeah.
And don't take very long.
Okay.
But you have to change it.
You have to try, right?
Or you can take District Line.
District,
For
okay.
25 minutes.
Okay.
From Western. Direct.
Alright, I'm going to leave out.
Hast du keine Möhre mit? Stück Zucker.
Yeah.